Fungal nail infection. Today my healthcare topic is not very common, but some people deal with this problem for a long time. A fungal nail infection is when the nail becomes thick, discolored and easy to break. It's not a serious infection, but it can take a long time to treat. A fungal nail infection is often affect the toenail, but it can happen on the fingernails too. The infection develops slowly. It usually starts at the edges of the nail before spreading to the rest of the nail. The infection can make the nail white or yellow, easy to break, or thick. Anyone can get the toenail fungus. It often affects older adults, especially people over 60. However, you should not ignore it either, since if it is left untreated, it may cause difficulties with walking and may spread to other parts of the body. That's why you must look for the right treatment before the situation gets worse. In such a cases, medical treatment is recommended with included the uses of antifungal medication. They are effective and cure the problem. However, some people experience side effects like skin issue, dizziness and upset stomach. So I prefer home remedies to treat nail fungus. Garlic. Garlic is used for medicinal purpose for many years. Garlic may provide some benefits for helping to treat toenail fungus. You may treat toenail fungus with garlic by placing chopped or crushed garlic cloves on the affected area for 30 minutes daily. Baking soda. Researchers found that baking soda prevented fungal growth in 79% of the specimen tested. Apply a paste of baking soda and water directly to the affected nail and let it sit for at least 10 minutes before rinse. Vinegar. There are also popular home remedies for toenail. If you want to give vinegar a tray, soak the affected foot in 1 part of vinegar to 2 parts of warm water for up to 20 minutes daily. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil, also called Melaleuca, is an essential oil with antifungal and antiseptic abilities. Tea tree oil might be effective against toenail fungus. Paint the tea tree oil directly on the affected nail twice daily with a cotton swab. Vicks vaporub. Vicks vaporub is a topical ointment. Although designed for cough suppression, its active ingredient may help treat toenail fungus. Apply a small amount of Vicks vaporub to the affected area at least once a day. Oregano oil. Oregano oil contains thiamol. Thiamol has antifungal and antibacterial properties. To treat toenail fungus, apply oregano oil to the affected nail twice daily with a cotton swab. Some people use oregano oil and tea tree oil together. People tired with diabetes have a great chance of getting toenail fungus. You should not use home remedies for toenail fungus if you have diabetes or a weakened immune system. Contact your doctor for appropriate course of action. Be healthy, be productive.